Oat milk versus coconut milk. The truth will shock you. In today's video, we're diving into the world of plant-based milk alternatives, focusing on oat milk versus coconut milk. Both have risen in popularity, but which is the right choice for you? Let's explore their differences in taste, nutrition, and versatility to help you make an informed decision. Oat milk, made from whole oats, is a creamy, versatile option often enriched with vitamins and minerals like calcium and vitamin D. It's known for its mild taste and ability to blend seamlessly into coffee and various recipes, making it a favorite among baristas and home cooks alike. Coconut milk, crafted from the grated flesh of coconuts, offers a rich tropical flavor. It comes in two forms, canned and carton. Canned coconut milk is thicker, often used in cooking, while the carton version is perfect for sipping. Nutritionally, oat milk is lower in calories and fat than coconut milk, making it ideal for weight management. It offers a balanced energy with fiber and protein. Meanwhile, coconut milk is high in saturated fat but provides quick energy due to its medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. Both oat and coconut milk are lactose-free, making them excellent choices for those with dairy intolerances. While oat milk can be a gluten concern, opting for certified gluten-free options can mitigate this. Coconut milk is generally safe for common allergies, but be cautious of rare coconut allergies. In terms of taste and texture, oat milk is mild and creamy, perfect for coffee and neutral dishes. Coconut milk, with its tropical flair, excels in curries and desserts. Culinary-wise, oat milk is perfect for baking, lattes, and savory dishes due to its mildness. Coconut milk shines in curries, sweets, and as a dairy-free base for sauces. Each milk brings unique qualities to the kitchen, enhancing different recipes. Environmentally, oat milk generally has a lower impact due to less water usage and greenhouse emissions. However, both options are more sustainable than dairy, offering eco-friendly choices for conscious consumers. Choose between oat and coconut milk by considering your dietary needs, flavor preferences, and environmental concerns. Whether you're after a subtle addition or a tropical twist, both milk alternatives offer delicious, versatile, and sustainable options for your lifestyle. That's just the tip of the iceberg. Join our Milk Makers Academy for free. Learn about plant-based milks and find tasty recipes. Click the link in the description now and unlock a whole new world of dairy-free delights.